Hello everyone. In this video, we will demonstrate the functionality of Naudit FERMIN. First, let us look at the basics, which is the traffic, and see how FERMIN is able to give us the silhouette of the traffic in 1-second resolution, which is important for multimedia services, where a saturation of 10 to 15 seconds is very noticeable. If, for example, we go to 1 minute or 5 minutes, like traditional tools, we do not see these 50 megabits per second that may be saturating our link. Another fundamental aspect is the topology analysis part, that is, which elements we have in our network. Here we see them: firewalls, load balancers, routers, which IPs communicate with which IPs. Here we see very quickly how this IP is the most traffic producer with its partner. Here, because of the thickness of the line. And we can even do interactive visualizations, as we show here, where we can take the nodes and build our own topology, go over the links and analyze each of the conversations. Not only that, but we can also see what IPs are chatting and where they are going, what hops they are going over. Here we look at this one, which has a large amount of traffic, as you can judge by the thickness, but also the curl tells us the delay, in this case 68 milliseconds, which is quite a lot within a data center, where this traffic trace was taken. How easily we have located a possible issue. We also want to know how our servers are doing, what quality our customers are perceiving, with key parameters such as losses, retransmissions, TTL1, saturations, unanswered connections. Here they are, at a glance, in a matrix. You can see that this server has a higher number of retransmissions. We can go and find the server, and examine it. You can see that there is a rapid rise in the number of retransmissions here, so there may have been a network problem. The test can also be done at the DNS service level, which is the service through which all go through. The top of queries, servers, clients. A particularly active client may be suffering from an exfiltration attack. We can even go to examine the HTTP level. On those servers we already have the response time of the requests, the client errors, the server errors, and, even more abstractly, at the service level, how Google is performing on my network, how are the connections to Google on my network. Well, very quickly, we see the key parameters. Also voice over IP. In this case, what we can see are client errors, server errors, the ESR. We can even get to the detail of each call, and we can see the MOS it has had. Leave us a trace of your network, and we will provide you with a free FERMIN report, so you can see for yourself the functionality and benefits. Thank you very much. See you next time.